Oscar. This, my friends, is gravy racing.
Well, if you're a cat parent like me, you'll definitely want to check this out.
These cat contestants capture more attention than some of the most important sports tournaments broadcast nationwide.
Iron Eagle has called thousands of games spanning the NBA and NFL.
A new gig for one Iron Eagle.
Welcome to the Gravy Race.
Big finish!
Oh my goodness!
It's cat against cat. Look at those tongues go. This may be too close to call. What a race!
This is what dreams are made of.
Okay.
Tater goes through to the semifinals. It is finito for Paquito. Welcome to the grand final. And they're off. Oh, it's tight already. Is it Venus? Is it Puff? It's Venus. It's Puff. It's Venus. It's Venus with some razzle-dazzle.